being a moon rising is a transformational experience. Just stepping into this sacred land allows you to connect to the universe, to connect to oneness, to remember your own nature as you connect to the beautiful nature that is here.
Been amazing. From the place, the people, the food, the nature, all the experiences, the beautiful animals that have like appear like all of a sudden. So it has been an amazing experience, and I recommend it to anyone that's looking for a change in their life. I totally recommend moon rising and either the yoga training or any other experience, that they could be having. So totally recommend the place. Thank you so much.
Wow, it's been 17 days that I've found myself here at Moon Rising, and it's been an honor and a blessing being around all these synchronicities, like this cosmic kitten just showing up in our lives. And I've reaffirmed a lot of things that I had been learning about myself, and I've been able to find a deeper seat in my inner consciousness and understanding that everyone has their journey, and to find that compassion and that love, that bliss. So I'm so thankful for Moon Rising and all its teachings, and the teachers here, Claire, Bond, and anyone else you might find, like this kitten over here. So thank you.
I will have to say that it has changed my life. It has changed the way I approach my life. It has changed my reactions to responses. It is helping me to gain awareness on just every aspect of my life, really, and to live in a non-violent way in consideration with all the 8 limbs of yoga. So we didn't just learn the asanas, we also learned everything that is encompassed in a yogic lifestyle. And it's been incredible, to say the least. I feel like I've stepped into my dharma and who I want to embody and who I deeply feel I long to be. So this is definitely a very individualistic experience. I 10 out of 10 recommend this place. This is a gem and it is priceless, and yeah, I think no price in the world could encapture exactly what this is worth, because it's priceless. Thank you.
It's my honor to be part of support for the teacher training, since it is the only one in the United States that hold the integrated practice of yoga. It is a beautiful community that is rooted in the yoga tradition. So it's rooted in the heart. It has a thread connection to the heart of hearts. And everybody is really fully here, invested not only in their evolution, but the growth and transformation and evolution of the whole. My experience of sharing the wisdom of the technology of yoga is one of expansiveness, transformation. It allows me, as I share the teachings, to grow. It allows me to be part of something greater than myself, and to be able to continue the lineage all the way from the Himalayas and spread it to the world, so then the world can be awakened and we can finally come back home to the heart. Being a moon rising is healing. To simply stepping into this holy and sacred land allows me to open up to truth, to remember who I am, to inspire me to be able to continue, and just being mesmerized and in awe of the beauty of the entire universe right here in this spot in the middle of the Blue Ridge Mountains. There is no other place like it, and every time I'm here, my soul fills and fills and fills with love. I hope you come and experience it for yourself. It will change your life.
Namaste. Welcome to our beautiful sacred space and our newly created chakra garden. We're here in this incredible container, this gift from Mother Nature, and it is such a beautiful place to explore the yogic teachings more in depth. And it has been an honor personally to travel to India many times on sacred pilgrimages to learn these sacred teachings from the source. And now to have this beautiful space in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina to be able to share these supreme teachings with those that are interested and called, and have that yearning for the truth in their heart. So if this speaks to you, it would be an honor to have you join us here for an upcoming teacher training with Lighthouse Yoga at Moon Rising Retreat, and really dive deep into yogic living, from the food we share and now the food that we grow, from the practices that we practice, the connection that we have to nature while we are out here through the river, the grass, the trees, the full moons, the fire pit, all of it. So I would love for you to join us and explore this beautiful evolutionary life on more and more layers. So I look forward to seeing you soon here at Moon Rising Retreat.